My name's Drew Moffitt. I'm the principal of Gunning Bedford Middle School, and I'm responding to Holly Sage's challenge for the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. We're here as Gunning Bedford to represent and actually participate in the Ice Bucket Challenge. In response, we'd like to challenge four of our other schools in Colonial, two of them being our neighboring schools of Wilbur and Southern. We'd also like to challenge Mr. Dissler's school, Eisenberg, and then also Mrs. Jones' school of Newcastle Elementary School. You have 24 hours to respond. Go ahead.
Yeah, pace.
Oh,